We're gonna need you to
What you get, babe?
tint.
Here. Tint. It's tint.
Let me see. Oh yeah, I wanna
Yes, you'll open it. So, how long have you been wanting this tent, babe?
I don't even know.
I don't know. I think it's like ricey.
Oh, it looks nice. Wait, hold on. It came out of the
No,
thing.
don't take it out because you don't want to scratch it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It came out when I pulled it out.
Ooh.
Oh crap! Hold on. Ooh. Hey, can I pull the thing out?
No, that's all you get to see.
Oh look, it has the thing right there. Look, you see?
The what?
Like you see where it stopped? Why is it extended like that?
Oh yeah, they give you 2 windshield,
Oh,
2 for the sides and 2
the
for the
short
sides.
ones.
Yeah.
Oh, but this is the color though.
Yeah, it
Ooh,
is.
let's go see how it looks. Look.
Actually, the FRS is outside.
It's outside. And you're not gonna be able to see it because you need what's it called? Tomorrow. Don't touch it. You're gonna put fingerprints all over it.
Looks cool.
I know it's gonna look badass. Thank you, Eva. I'm excited.
Nah,
Okay.
man.
I thought it stopped here.
So what are we doing? We're gonna take it to get, what's this?
Tinted.
Tint.
It's a mirror tint right there.
Mirror tint.
That's a chrome mirror tint. The FRS is gonna be all chromed out. Right?
Yes.
I haven't seen no FRS all chromed out.
Alright, I'll hit up Pollo and we'll take it tomorrow.
Okay.
Here you go, baby. Where are we going?
To get the car tinted.
How long have you been wanting the window tint?
For some time. Somebody didn't want to do it.
It's not that I didn't want to do it, it's just, it's a hassle. Because we got to take this, I'm still going to have to take the strut bar down.
Wait, did you show the tint already?
Yeah, because I'm gonna put the video in. So yeah, we're gonna go tint the car. She's driving the truck because I want to record some rollers on the truck because I haven't with these wheels. I'll be taking the FRS. We're gonna go do the window tint so you guys could see. It's ugly.
It's been ugly. Like for the longest time. I've been going to meets like that. That's embarrassing.
It's all right. I mean.
No, it's not.
Okay, well, it's not all right.
You wouldn't want the G to be like that.
Well, the G's a fishbowl, so.
It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and then from then we're gonna go get some shirts printed for the car meet. Oh, and I still gotta find another spike because one fell.
Yeah, but don't show those.
Okay, I won't show that. But yeah, we're gonna go drop this car off to get tinted. Follow us. Oh, that's my neighbor. He got a 89 Corolla he might sell me. Alright. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I am in the FRS. Started the intro a little backwards, but yeah, we're gonna go get the car tinted. The wife got Luminous tint, so I'm gonna go drop it off to my boy Pollo. He does all my window tint on all my cars. So I was gonna go with another shop here in Houston that does this tint. I don't know if it's too dark, but if it is, oh well. They do this tint, but I hit up my boy Pollo and asked him, hey bro, well, the wife wants this tint. It's Luma tints or whatever. Can you take care of it? He said, if it's film, I got you. So no disrespect, because I did hit up the homie that does EM tinting, I think. But you know, I'm loyal to my guys, especially when they've been tinting my cars for years and all my cars. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go drop it off. Hopefully it comes out good. The color wise, I know the tint's gonna come out good, but hopefully the wife made a good choice and we'll go from there.
So we're taking out the harness bar. A little dirty. But we have to take it out so they could get back there to put the tint. What are we doing?
The dumbest thing ever. This is why I don't like none of this dumb shit. All this harness bar doesn't work. Well, it does work, but it doesn't make things easy when you gotta access the back. Oh yeah, you got a little bit of
That's what
a little custom going on.
a little custom, but it's
Something
dirty though.
You don't see, but yeah. So we're here. Struggling. Well, not struggling. Just gotta take this off so he could get back there and tint. You're excited for it? For
yeah. Yeah. I've been wanting it for a while.
Boyo's excited to do it.
Really?
Well, he's like, yeah, I'll do it.
He's never done chrome or what? Chrome tint? Or mirror
He
tint?
does this Mercedes. A Mercedes film. Damn.
What happened?
I do not have that with me.
Muy bien. That's why I told you. If you were going to remove that, you should have done it at home.
What was that? There's no seatbelts.
You never even wear a seatbelt when you're driving. So it's not like it matters or it's going to make a difference.
No, you can't even grab it.
So we're going to go to the store and get one?
I have to go to the store and get one. Yeah.
No?
No. Yep. I have to go to the store.
Good job, baby.
I thought it was bolts.
That's what happens when you don't check. Somebody went in there to go get a wrench, an Allen wrench, that he didn't have. Not sponsored.
Fuck. I don't want to buy it, but I need it. Oh well. And tape. Gotta fix my rock lights. Tape. Where is their tape? Don't think it's electrical tape. Got them. Found some cheaper ones. Electrical tape to fix my rock lights. And a kick that bar. Well, the rock lights are on. A little cool.
Oh, is this Kit Kat for me?
Yes, for you. Let me open this.
How much you say?
$30. That's open one, babe. Whichever color. Red is fine. Gotta tie it. I gotta tie up a wire. Oh, they didn't have these. Put this in the center console. All right, let me fix this.
We are back.
I'm hangry.
You're hungry?
I'm officially hungry.
Well, that's your fault, because
It's way past my dinner time.
that's your fault. Somebody didn't
Watch
come
none of them fit.
prepared.
Well, I didn't come prepared because no one puts this stuff that's useless.
Somebody's hungry.
Don't tell me it's gonna be Metro. Nah, it fits.
I was about to say, you fucked up.
Let me get the ratchet. Did someone say hi?
Yeah, I heard that.
Nah, where's
Kind of scary.
There's a creep on the loose.
Where?
No, I'm just saying. I heard someone say hi. Oh, hi guys.
No, don't. I was about to say,
Yep.
you're gonna hit it with that. He's gonna scratch my car.
Your car?
Yeah.
That wouldn't have touched your car.
Huh?
That wouldn't have touched your car.
You're gonna hit it with the wrench.
I was gonna hit this down. So
That's what I'm saying. There's a microfiber right there.
What do I need a microfiber for?
So you don't scratch the bar.
This is rubber.
It don't matter.
Easy peasy. I wonder now that we should adjust it back.
Yeah. Might as well. Somebody always complains
I
then.
complain because I'm tall.
Yeah, you always complain.
I'm not that tall, but I'm not short.
I'm not sure either.
Yeah, but I look funny. I look like a old, like those.
You look cramped up.
Yeah, because of the strobe bar.
Yeah, so somebody always complains that the
That's why we don't take this car out a lot, because of the
harness bar.
bar. But now,
But you
after
could have adjusted it a long time ago, but you decided to be all cramped up instead because you were too lazy to adjust it. That's car couple problems. You do not only have one car, you have two cars to mess with. Right, babe?
sure.
There you go.
Who powder coated this for us?
Sebastian.
No, it wasn't Sebastian.
It wasn't
Oops.
Sebastian?
No, it wasn't Sebastian.
Yeah, it was. It wasn't.
No, it wasn't Sebastian.
Oh,
It was
was
that
it the
one
guy
shop.
that cleaned your wheels?
No.
No?
It was that one shop. I don't even know. Texas Coating or something like that. They did a good job. I didn't even.
To be honest, I'd probably want to change the color. Comment down if you think we should change the color. Silver. The car is silver. Let's match it.
Silver?
Silver? The car is silver.
I say you do it chrome and engrave it. It's about to come out.
The struggle is real. Oh, there you go.
So I can leave it for him here. You can move it around.
Good. We could put it, whenever we put it back, we could adjust it.
Yep. Alright. Well, Next time
Finally.
you guys see this car,
It'll be chromed out.
Let me call
So, did you even take it before? Was it before?
I mean, it's regular tint. Oh, thanks for that light for you. It's a regular tint. Time to go.
What is that? Does everybody have like...
I think it's a camera. Safety camera.
It's gonna be the color of my case.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
It's a little dirty, but...
We just got to my homie's house. Hold on. I'm recording, bro. You're good. Wait. Yeah, that's what I thought. What you think, bro? Ricey?
Looks good.
Be honest, do you think it looks ricey though?
That's crazy. Filling that front windshield like that.
Yeah, it is crazy. All right, you can come see it. Looks cool.
Different.
Hello. Oh, it looks nice.
You know what?
Crazy that, I mean, it's dark.
Yeah, it is. Well, I mean on this side, well, I guess because of the lights above it, you can see a little bit in the inside.
No, pero ya
Pero
cuando
ya-
le pega el sol.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
the...
reflective.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.